Dear students, we are going to discuss resource and development chapter, and in this chapter we will discuss about the soil. Is it clear? So as we know that soil is a natural resources. So soil is a renewable natural resource. It supports plant growth and living organism. It takes millions of years to form. Uh, Following factors are essential for formation of soils, such as relief, parent rocks, climatic conditions, vegetations, temperature, action of running water, wild and glaciers, activities of decomposers, etc. Chemical and organic changes uh, is also important in the formation of soil. So in this way, different activities helps in the formation of soils. Only few centimeters of soil takes millions of years in the formation. Okay, now on the basis of the thickness, texture, the soil is classified in different forms. First is the alluvial soil. Everybody knows it is formed by accumulated settlements transferred by the rivers. In a simple words, we can say alluvial soil is formed with the help of rivers. Alluvial soil is considered the most fertile soil, and the entire northern plains of India are made up of alluvial soil, because in northern part, that is the some perennial rivers are present, such as Ganga. This soil contains sand, silt and clay. According to the age of alluvial soil, it is mainly classified into two forms. First is known as Bangar, that is known as old alluvial soil. It is less fertile, whereas the Khadar, it is known as alluvial soil, it is high fertile. Khadar every year contains a belt of or a layer of new soils. When the flood comes, they carry the silt and deposits in these areas. But in case of Bangar soil, the silts are very old, due to that its fertility has declined. Okay, now come to the next. This soil also contains an ample amount of potash, means huge amount of potash, phosphoric acids and lime. This soil is most suitable for the production of wheat, rice and other plants for the growth. It is basically found in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, river basin of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna in south, because these rivers are located in south part of India. Now come to the second, that is known as black soil. Its color is black, that's why it is known as black soil, and its other name is Reger soil. It is ideal for growing cotton. This type of soil is typical of Deccan tracts. So we know that Deccan tracts is a mountainous area, and in these areas the basalt rocks are available, that is black in color. Due to that, the soil which is formed with the help of basalt stones, and due to that it is black in color. It is found in the northwest part, such as Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. It is rich in soil nutrients such as calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. Due to that, it is highly fertile. Next, come to the red and yellow soil. It is made up of igneous rocks. It is found only in those areas where rainfall is low, such as southern part of Deccan Plateau, some part of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Western Ghats. It contains huge amount of iron. Due to that, its color is red. It looks yellow when it occurs in hydrated forms, and that's why it is also known as red and yellow soil. It is less fertile because in these areas the rainfall is very low. So due to low rainfall, the humidity and the humus also destroy or erodes. It is suitable for bushes and small plants. This land is used for grazing purpose. Now come to the laterite soil. This soil develops in areas where high temperature and heavy rainfalls occurs. So the most important thing is that here the temperature is very high but rain is also high. So what will happen? If there is a heavy rain, it means it will carry the upper layer of the fertile soil. As a result, it contains less humus because most of the microorganisms such as bacteria and other decomposers get destroyed either due to high temperature or due to excessive rains. This soil is used for cultivation if we use adequate dose of manures and fertilizers. It is mainly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and hilly areas of Odisha and Assam. So as we know that these southern states such as Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and some part of Madhya Pradesh is capable to produce huge amount of rubber, next tea, next that is the coffee. So these areas has developed the irrigational facilities, and due to that they are even capable to produce cashew nuts basically in Kerala. So this is most important soil for southern part of our country. Now come to the arid soil. Its color is red to brown. It is generally sandy in texture and slim in nature. It contains huge amount of salt due to high temperature. It does not contain humus and moisture. After proper irrigations, this soil also become cultivable lands or soil. For example, western part of Rajasthan, where in some areas due to the opening of Indira Gandhi Canal, these soils is being utilized for cultivation of land. So in this way, we find that in our country there are variety of soil because the longitudes and latitudes is very vast. So in this way, I hope you will be able to write your answer in a proper way whenever the questions comes in the board exam. Except these soils, there are also some soils such as forest soil, next you can say alkaline soils, but I hope it is not so important up to standard 10. Okay, thank you.